Hello, friends. Mrs. Denning here again with Cove and another friend. I believe you've met Rue. Say hello, Rue. Hello, hello, hello. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. I have your next list of vocabulary that you'll be doing this whole week. Go ahead and say that first word. Serious. If I'm serious, I'm not joking around. Advice. My dad always gives me great advice. Bay. The bay is a very calm place to swim. Ashamed. I would feel ashamed if I lied to my parents. Familiar. We are all familiar with where the nurse's office is at Brook. I think Rue's ready to go. Voyage. The ship took a long voyage around the world. Twisted. My hair twisted in the wind. Lava. The lava spewed from the top of the volcano. Aboard. The passengers climbed aboard the boat. Rippled. The water rippled in the wind. Anchor. The huge anchor of the ship kept it steady in the storm. Arrival. I awaited the arrival of my cousins all week. Spotted. I spotted dolphins off the New Jersey coast. Guided. The policeman guided the traffic around the huge pothole. Separate. I had to separate the yolk from the white part of the egg when I was cooking. That's the end of our word list for today. I hope you get through them through the week. I was bringing Macy to say hello, but she seems to want to go. Macy, you want to say bye to the kids? Bye for now. We hope you have a great day. And here's from Mrs. Denning, Macy, and our friend Cove. Have a good one.